Well, hello, my little teacups. Hey, I'm coming to you to do a, sorry, I was reaching for this. Coming to you to do a I Play by Sephora, or Play by Sephora. I always say I Play because I play with the stuff. And there's their December box. Sorry about the lighting, guys. And here is what's in there. Okay, so it looks like we've got something from Smashbox, from Wonder Beauty, from Bobbi Brown. I'm going to tell you a story about Bobbi Brown in just a second. Dermalogica, Fresh, and I wish they would put how you pronounce the things on here. Amika. It's a volumizing, thickening shampoo. Okay, so this is what I found out about Bobbi Brown. This whole entire time, I always thought Bobbi Brown was Bobby Brown, the singer, like Whitney Houston's husband, Bobby Brown. I always thought that that was the product. So, anyway, let me see. Came in this cute little box. Sorry about my nail. The rest of them are done. Oh, I like. Oh, here we go. Okay. So this right here is the Dermalogica. And see how big, y'all? I'm telling y'all need to do this. Look how big that product is. You can use it 5 or 6 times before you figure out whether, it works for your skin. I do have a lot of friends that have sensitive skin, and so they have to be careful of the products they put on it. So I like that you can, look at that. That's a lot. Let me see how much it says to use. Okay. Shine up the trophy. We've got a winner. When mixed with warm water, this rice-based powder gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it smooth and bright. It says, sorry, I've got a fan above me. It says, salicylic acid clears impurities from skin. Oatmeal helps calm skin. Tea tree oil, which is really good for your skin. But let's see. So it comes like that. So I guess you just sprinkle some powder and put it with the water. I like. Okay, let me see what the next one is. Okay, y'all. I love this stuff, and it only happens to me. So it looks like this stuff, we'll figure out in a minute what it is, but you can see that it leaked right here, and it's all over this. 90% of the time I don't have any issues with their stuff, but like this is lip retreat, which I really need some lip retreat because my lips are dry. So we're going to go ahead and talk about this. Amika, I think that's how you pronounce it. It says 3D. One is volumizing thickening shampoo, and the other one is thickening conditioner. So funny. I just bought some shampoo yesterday. Where was this when I needed it? Okay, let's see what this says. Amika. It says, gives hair a boost from this dynamic duo that plumps strands from the root to the tip, enhances natural shine. So that's pretty cool. So what's not cool is the stuff that's on it, because that means less lips for me. See, Sephora, y'all need to send me another one. Okay, so this says Wonder Beauty. Roll out the red carpet for the standout oil in a pretty pink shade that nourishes lips and delivers a glossy finish. So, well, we're just going to have to, I got a little bit of lipstick on. We're going to use my sweater to take it off. I just hate that I didn't get to use, it's coming out and I'm not even touching it. Okay, does look good on lips. Like I could wear this to bed. So this one's not as... I'm not as happy with this because it's leaking. Alright. This is called Fresh Soy Face Cleaner. I love it when they get stuff because we can clean our face with this and exfoliate with this. So this says, right here, it says, this cleanser is anything but washed up. The formula removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Amino acids, soy proteins help maintain elasticity. Cucumber extract, smooth skin, and rosewater helps calm and balance your skin. I'm looking forward to using this one tonight. And we should have mascara. Y'all, I think I'm missing something. Oh, I'm not. Ooh. So far we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Okay. I used to wonder about mascara, but I love trying different mascaras. Okay, this is called Super Fan. Super Fan. Okay. See it? Let me see what it says. It's by Smashbox, and it says Super Fan Mascara in Black. Your lashes #1 fan. This, I like that name. This lengthening mascara delivers lift and volume that lasts for up to 12 hours. Apply from root to tip and layer to build length. Turn up the volume by coating the top lashes first, then the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and try this because I put some on this morning about 12 hours ago. Sorry that I'm looking down here, but gotta look at what I'm doing. I think it's good once you coat it. Okay, I like it. It probably will work on a fresh set because I am applying it over mascara, but I like it. Okay, the last thing is, which it's called Bobbi Brown. It's Bobbi Brown. This shimmering pink peach eyeshadow sticks. It's cream. I thought it said cream crap, but okay. This shimmering pink peachy eyeshadow stick is the cream of the crop. It easily glides onto the lid and stays in place for up to 8 hours. And it says to use, swipe the stick across your lid, blend with fingertips for so easy application, which I love. So, sorry about that, y'all. Oh, that's pretty. Y'all, I'm doing this. I really like this. I'm doing this off already makeup that's been on all day. We'll try it tomorrow because I just felt like I wiped all of it away, but it's on my fingertip. But of course, like I said, I'm applying this on makeup already. I don't notice the difference. We're going to have to try this tomorrow. Alright, well, I love y'all so much. If you would please, if you're not already subscribed, thank you for coming to my channel. If you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, that will let you know anytime. Oh, excuse me. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and please comment below what videos you'd like me to do. Hit the notification button. It will alarm you to whenever I load up new videos. Anyway, I love you. Thank you so much. And if I don't talk to you before on my channel, before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Love you. Bye.